Major events between 1935 and 1945. The Government of India Act of 1935 was introduced in 1935. It proposed some sort of representative government. In 1937, for the first time, elections were held on the basis of restricted franchise. Congress Party, having majority in the legislature, won the election in 8 out of 11 provinces. When the World War II broke out in 1939, Indian leaders, in return of their support to the British, demanded complete independence after war. The Congress ministries resigned when the offer was turned down in October 1939. A series of satyagraha were held by the Congress to compel the British to agree to grant freedom after the war ended. The Muslim League passed a resolution in March 1940 for the formation of a separate nation for Muslims. Tensed at the continuous spread of the nationalist movement in India, the then Prime Minister of England, Winston Churchill, sent Sir Stafford Cripps to India in 1942 to work out a compromise with Gandhiji and the Congress. The Cripps mission was a failure as it failed to promise independence to India. Under the Quit India movement, launched in August 1942, most of the prominent leaders were arrested. In 1944, Gandhiji's attempts on his release from the jail to get the Muslim League and the Congress together failed. In 1945, the British government agreed to grant complete independence to India.
For more such videos on all subjects, practice questions and a lot more, download iPrep and learn unlimited.